Hey guys, let's see how to charge your PS4 remote controller in rest mode. You just need to come here to the settings and then you can come down and look for the power management and then you can enable there. You see here, power save settings. Then you come here, set features available in rest mode. And here you can select for 3 hours if you want to. And then you're good to go. You then come back here. And when you come to turn off your PlayStation here, instead of just turn it off, you come here and enter in rest mode, right? So enter in rest mode here. And then you can just bring your cable. Here I have a USB cable. I connect here to my PlayStation. And then I can connect here to my controller. So super simple, just connect it here. And now it's still gonna to charge here. Let me just approach here, see, it's going to charge, even though I don't hear anything here from my console. It's in rest mode right now, still working and still charging my remote controller, right? My PS4 controller. So I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can charge your PS4 controller in rest mode. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.